Welcome to the channel where all you got to do is attach an axe head to a jackhammer. So today we're going to make a thingamabob. So basically what I have here is a rusty old impingement for my jackhammer and a broken axe head. So I seem to have a lot of these shovels and axe heads. It seems like it's cheaper to buy a new shovel or a new axe than it is to buy a handle for it. So I end up with a zillion of them. So what I'm going to do, make that attached to that, and then I can put this axe head on my jackhammer. When I'm trying to dig a hole or make a trench or whatever, and I run into an old root, or God only knows what I'm going to run into in this property, but when I run into something, this will just chop through it. So there you have it. Some broken bits. So we're going to do something like that. So I'm going to need to drill a hole in this and maybe turn that down to a smaller diameter, stick them together, weld them. A little bit more grinding. Okay, and I want this to be oriented. So this is perpendicular to this. We're close. Thanks for watching. If you like this content and want more, subscribe, like, and share.